ready. Autonomous start in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Ready, just a couple seconds in, we have a cone stacked on the red stationary goal. 1588D and their alliance partners. Both have mobile goals in possession. And Autonomous goes to red, and with that we'll start driver control in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. 3050C making their way to the corner to pick up cones off the field. 1588D using a similar strategy. 3050C now changing to using matched loads, completely emptying, almost emptying their stack of 12 from the side of the field. Incredible heights. Will Blue be able to match this high stack? Blue 86000A putting a mobile goal in the 20-point zone. 3050C, some great driving over here. Incredibly tall stack into the 10-point scoring zone. Their partners putting another tall stack with 1, 2, 3, quite a bit into 10-point score as well. Red's not done. They have another mobile goal in their possession. Picking up cones off the floor. Their alliance partners going to put another one, creating the highest mobile or highest stationary goal stack. 8600A trying to match the feat that Red already accomplished. Picking up from the match loads. Red trying to play some defense on them. Blue trying to take possession of the highest stationary goal. Looks like they did it, but Red, they are countering. Whew. A lot of action in that match.